In early 2024, a striking case of vacant land fraud unfolded in Randolph, New Jersey, one that sent shockwaves through the local real estate community and highlighted a growing national threat. It began innocently enough, with real estate agent Lisa Shaw receiving a call from a man claiming to urgently sell a vacant lot he said he'd owned for 25 years. He presented what appeared to be valid Canadian driver's licenses and supporting documents, even claiming the deed was notarized at the U.S. Embassy in Vietnam. Trusting the paperwork, Shaw listed the property, and within days, a $70,000 payment was processed from an eager buyer. But beneath the surface, something was amiss. The title company, conducting routine checks, noticed subtle discrepancies in the documentation. Their diligence led to a critical discovery. The actual property owners had no knowledge whatsoever of any sale. The supposed seller was an imposter, armed with forged identification and falsified ownership records. By the time the fraud was detected, however, the initial payment had already cleared. The buyer's name appeared in tax records, but the real owners faced the daunting task of reclaiming their property. The FBI launched an investigation, but the damage was done. Trust in the real estate process had been undermined, and the true owners were left to fight a complex legal battle. This case is part of a troubling trend. In recent years, the FBI has reported a staggering 5% rise in vacant land fraud schemes, with criminals targeting unsuspecting landowners and sophisticated scams slipping past even experienced professionals. The lesson is clear. Always verify ownership through official title records, insist on in-person identity checks, and never rely solely on remote or digital documentation. As these scams become more sophisticated, vigilance and due diligence are more important than ever to protect property, investments, and the integrity of the real estate market. Follow for more